everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and unlock your locked Snapchat account right there in Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if in case your account has been locked, what you can do is you cannot do that from your Snapchat app, obviously. For that purpose, let's go ahead and open our phone browser. You can open any, then you will go to the search bar and type in Snapchat support. If you search it up, you will be able to find this kind of interface, and where you can see this option of Snapchat support right there. Simply tap on that option and now tap on this contact us option given below. Go ahead, tap on this option called I can't access my account, and simply go ahead, tap on this option called I see an error message when I log in instead of my account is locked. If you do that, you will be able to get this kind of options. What you're gonna do is tap on this yes, and now enter your username that is locked, enter your email address which is connected with your account, type in your mobile number again which is connected with your Snapchat account, enter the device that you use. When did you start having the problem? When your account is locked, if you remember the date, go ahead, add it over there. Go ahead, take a screenshot of your problem and add that file as well. Now what you're gonna write is like, hey Snapchat, my account got locked, please help me resolve. I have not violated any of the guidelines, because if you have unfortunately violated any of the Snapchat's guideline, then that could be one of the reasons why your account is locked permanently. So for that purpose, you're simply gonna write a message to Snapchat that I did not violate any of the guidelines and I would like you guys to help me out to unlock my account. Once done doing that, you can simply go ahead, tap on the submit option. Your request will be submitted right there to Snapchat. They will look it up and they will let you know in your email or your account that how they can help you, how your account can get unlocked. So yes guys, this is the method. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.